Okay, remember to submit your assignment by next week. No late submission, okay? Thank you, class.
Hey Amira, have you started the assignment yet? Yeah, I'm working on it. You don't look okay. Are you alright? I'm fine, don't worry. Something definitely wrong. Amira, guys, I think Amira is going through a hard time. What happened? I saw her message with her family. They are having financial problems. Oh, no wonder she's been acting different lately. We should do something. Yes, we can let her go through this alone. Assalamualaikum, Amira. Waalaikumsalam. This is for you. What is this? Just a little help from us. You guys didn't have to do this. Maybe not, but this is what friends are for. Thank you. I really need this. Remember, you don't have to face everything by yourself. We are here for you. Thank you, everyone.
You're welcome.
Hey!
Thank you.
Looks like someone has become a helper too.
The messenger of Allah said, whoever relieves a believer of a hardship in this world, Allah will relieve him of a hardship on the day of resurrection. Whoever help ease a person in difficulty, Allah will make it easy for him in this world and the hereafter. Found in both Sahih Al-Bukhari and Sahih Muslim. Thank you for watching our video.